First things first, appreciate your support. This is a front load washing machine, LG. Door won't open, so we need to find out what has caused that. And before we do that, we have to open the door. Here I used a piece of string just to pull the door. So let's see how this happens. Oh, okay. So once you open the door, you see these hooks here. So when it's hooked there, when you put the string around, you just pull out and the door will open. That is how to manually open a washing machine door using a piece of string. Now, the reason the door was not opening is because the latch was broken. So what I did is I had the latch already with me because I knew when the client called, I knew that's the issue. So this happens when you try to open the door, you apply force before you hear that clicking sound that the door is open. So what I did is remove the door by removing the two screws on the door hinge. Removed the other screws. On this one, there were 4. So once that was removed, I removed the glass to access where the door latch and the spring hooks. And there we go. So to replace this is simple. What you need to do is ensure you take a photo of how the door latch fits in the spring, so that when you're trying to plug it back, you don't get issues. So the best thing, when you're doing any repair on a washing machine, you're not sure, please take a photo. It makes life easy. A photo or a video. So when you're stuck, you just refer to the video. So after replacing the latch, the machine worked perfectly well. So it's simple. First thing first, you open the door. Once the door is open, you assess what's the cause of that.